Probably one of the hardest questions I had to answer was, yes, it's cancer.
My life was going as planned about 6 years ago. At the time, my wife was being evaluated for an ovarian cyst. It was an incidental finding.
She'd been coughing for a couple weeks, and I had a doctor's appointment for me, and I said, you know what, you need to come in with me and find out why you're coughing. He thought it was bronchitis, but he didn't. He wanted to make sure it couldn't be pneumonia. So he ordered a chest x-ray. The doctor took a sample of that spot in her lung and called me and my 3 children into a room and said, it's cancer.
And I was in my office, and her obstetrician called me because he couldn't reach her. I was just suddenly stunned by the fact that my wife developed lung cancer. And unfortunately, I was the one who ended up having to call my wife and sort of tell her that something quite serious.
After Dina's diagnosis, talking with friends and family and anybody, after I would say, what her diagnosis was, the first question was, did she smoke? Well, yeah. She smoked, but that was 25 years ago.
For the vast majority of people who smoke, by the time they want to quit, they can't. It is incredibly addictive. One of the most addictive substances that there are.
Yep.
And so to blame people, oh, you did it to yourself, that is something we just need to stop immediately.
Yep.